Hello and welcome to the Self-Tape Academy. My name is Sarah Valentine. I have been an actor, an accent coach, a casting director and an agent. Now the Self-Tape Academy is a place for actors who want to learn how to self-tape and who don't necessarily know what they're doing and really want to get good at it. So these courses, they run over 7 and 21 days. Inside the course there are other students. You will be given a script every day. You will learn it, perform it, do your self-tape, upload it, where your peers will all get to view it, and you'll work together in a really collaborative way and really get to know each other, really learn from the experience. I think what's beautiful about it is that when I see people at day 1 and then when they finish on day 7 or when they finish on day 21, the journey that they've taken is really quite amazing. People come in and they're not necessarily that confident in self-taping, but by the time they've finished, they're like, I can do this, yep, no problem. I know how to set up my camera, I know how to sort out my lights, I know what I'm doing. And in this day and age, we need to know how to self-tape, we need to know what we're doing, and we need to be ready for that moment where an audition comes in and they're like, we'd like you to turn that around in a day, 2 days, 3 days. I mean, if you get a week, hooray. If you don't get a week, you want to get that audition in. And the beauty of being able to self-tape is that you're going to be able to audition for work all over the world rather than it just being local work. You know, when pilot season comes up and you get that opportunity to be able to submit to places in LA and around the world, you want to be able to do it and you want to be ready for that moment, and being able to self-tape is absolutely vital. Hey look, take the self-tape challenge. You're not going to be disappointed, and adding another string to your bow is just another string to your bow, and you're going to only get better from doing it. So I really hope that you take the challenge, and I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.